3, 2, 1.
What's always on during the day, but is off during the night? The answer is D. Television. I'm often found in a pocket, yet I have infinite storage capacity. What am I? The answer is C. Smartphone. Which civilization is known for its advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics? The answer is B. Egyptians. What is the fundamental unit of time in physics? The answer is A. Second. What year was the classic Christmas movie It's a Wonderful Life released? The answer is C. 1946. Which of these was the first oil well in Texas? The answer is A. Spindletop. Which of the following is a Czech soccer team? The answer is C. SK Sigma Olomouc. Which event takes about 1 year to complete? The answer is C. Earth revolving completely around the Sun. What is the unit of data transfer on the Internet named after? The answer is B. Bit. Which mathematical term means the opposite of addition? The answer is A. Subtraction. What does E stand for in scientific notation? The answer is A. Exponent. Which of these is a type of Mexican cheese dip? The answer is A. Queso. Which type of rock is formed when hot lava cools? The answer is B. Igneous. What are the tiny sacs in the lungs where gas exchange takes place? The answer is D. Alveoli. What is the state capital of Washington? The answer is B. Olympia. I'm a root vegetable with purple skin and white flesh. What am I? The answer is C. Potato. The global pattern of precipitation is influenced by movements of what? The answer is A. Air masses. What is the world's deepest pool? The answer is C. Y40 the Deep Joy. A student reaches into a bag of objects. Which property of the objects can be observed by using only the sense of touch? The answer is D. Texture. I'm red and blue striped, often tied around your neck. What am I? The answer is B, tie. I never sleep and I'm always at work. What am I?
The answer is A, river.
Which Greek hero is known for his 12 labors? The answer is A, Hercules. In Rocky III, Rocky fights a wrestler. What was the wrestler's name in the movie? The answer is A, Thunderlips. Which part makes a plant cell different from an animal cell? The answer is B, cell wall. The dulcimer is popular in which continent? The answer is D, North America. I'm covered with threads, yet I hold no weight. What am I? The answer is C, sweater. I have cities to visit, but no passport. What am I? The answer is C, hotel guidebook. Which of the following was introduced as the currency of Denmark in 1873? The answer is B, Kronkrone. In the episode Choices, Buffy the Vampire Slayer is accepted at which university? The answer is D, Northwestern. Who played Mona Robinson on the ABC show Who's the Boss? The answer is C, Katherine Helmond. Who is the leader of the legendary Solidarnosc Solidarity labor union that led the efforts to end communist rule in Poland? The answer is A, Lech Walesa. Which nut is often used in baking cookies? The answer is A, walnut. Which microprocessor was used in the original Apple Macintosh released in 1984? The answer is C, Motorola 68000. In a hydrogen replacement reaction, the hydrogen in the acid is replaced by what? The answer is D, an active metal. Which of these would best help a scientist discover a new planet? The answer is D, looking at the night sky with a telescope. I'm carried by an ant, yet I'm too heavy for an elephant. What am I doing in a book? The answer is C, reading. What is the tallest temple in Angkor Wat complex? The answer is C, Phimanakas. I was the first president to be impeached and the first vice president to become president due to assassination. Who am I? The answer is C, Andrew Johnson. I'm a gas at room temperature, yet can be carried in a pocket. What am I? The answer is B, helium. Which compound has positively and negatively charged ends? The answer is C, polar compound. What occurs when muscle fibers get shorter? The answer is C, muscle contraction. One of the factors necessary for the formation of a tropical cyclone is a warm sea surface to a certain depth. As a minimum, how warm should the sea surface be and to what depth? The answer is D, 26.5 C 79.7 F to a depth of 50 meters, music using a reed. What am I? The answer is C, clarinet. What is the study of the chemical elements necessary for plant growth called? The answer is A, plant nutrition. Where is Tom Savini's special effects makeup school? The answer is C, Monessen, Pennsylvania. I'm a country that uses the pound as currency, but it's not England. What am I? The answer is A, Jamaica. I'm used when you don't want to read something. What am I? The answer is D, bookmark. The joint that lies between the radius and the ulna is what kind of joint? The answer is D, pivot joint. What happens when alkanes are mixed with oxygen at room temperature? The answer is B, no reaction. What type of character does Whoopi Goldberg play in the 1999 drama movie Girl, Interrupted?